Hello, my name is Nizar. I'm from London, the Dodge dealership. I'm gonna now do the video walk around of the Anvil 2015 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk model that I have on my lot. This Trailhawk is beautiful. It's two front hooks, 2.4 liters. It's 2015. It's in very good condition. Inches, 17 inches rims. It's black. It's inspected and safe to drive with the roof racks. Fully loaded leather seats, heated seats. It's 4x4 with navigation. Here you can fold down if you like. You have also the remote starter here in this fob. Okay. If you have any question about this vehicle, please let me know. It has power windows, power locks, and power driver seat. It has 51,000 kilometers. It has push start button. It has backup camera also. If you have any other question about this vehicle, please call me at my cell phone 780-862-3678. And my name again is Nizar. Let me know if you'd like to come for test drive. Have a wonderful day, and bye bye.